The Clarke CSR310 sander roller can be used on any curved or flat surface. It is perfect for paint removal from intricately shaped objects, such as ornate staircases, spindles, or decorative moldings. Weighing only 1.7 kilograms, this unit is also ideal for removing paint from pipework. Its capable 310 watt 230 volt motor has 6 speed settings from 1600 to 3000 RPM. The CSR310 also features a 4-position spark deflecting shield. When the spark deflector is mounted, it can be adjusted to one of 4 positions as required by the user. It also forms part of the dust collection system, which is completed by a dust extraction port for clean working. Connect the suction hose to the dust extraction adapter using the supplied reducer ring if necessary. The CSR310 is supplied with both a 10mm and 60mm width flap roller, plus a 60mm width sanding roll with a sanding sleeve. These fitments are easily exchanged by holding the spindle lock button, sliding the sanding accessory onto the tool holder, and tightening the securing screw with the supplied hex key. A great set of accessories for this sander is the Clarke 7-piece accessory kit for the CSR310 sander roller, which contains a replacement sanding shank, 3 sanding sleeves of different grits, 2 replacement flap wheels, and a 10mm wide brass wire wheel. The Clarke CSR310 sander roller, with its robust build for added reliability, low weight, selection of sanding accessories, plus spark shield and dust collection. It's the perfect tool to add to your sanding arsenal.